To transfer money from PayPal to Luno, you first need to ensure that your PayPal and Luno accounts are set up and verified. This verification process is crucial for security and compliance reasons. Start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the summary page. From there, click on Transfer Money and then select Transfer to your bank. However, since you are transferring to Luno, you will need to add Luno as a bank account. To do this, log into your Luno account and navigate to the Account Settings or Funding page. Here, you will find the necessary banking details to link your Luno account to PayPal. The details will include the account name, account number, and routing number. Copy these details and go back to your PayPal account. Enter the details as you would for any bank transfer, and PayPal will guide you through the process of adding Luno as a bank account. Once Luno is added as a bank account, you can initiate the transfer from your PayPal balance. Be aware that PayPal may charge a small fee for this transfer, and the processing time can vary. It is also important to note that Luno may have its own set of fees and requirements for receiving funds from PayPal. Always check the Luno website for the most up-to-date information on fees and processing times. After initiating the transfer, wait for the funds to clear in your Luno account. This can take a few days, depending on the payment processing times of both PayPal and Luno. Once the funds are in your Luno account, you can use them to buy, sell, or store cryptocurrency, depending on your investment goals. Remember to always follow best practices for security and safety when dealing with online financial transactions. By following these steps and staying informed about the fees and requirements of both PayPal and Luno, you can successfully transfer money from PayPal to Luno.